Alright, so me and Susan are done working out. It was our first day back. I was supposed to go work out Monday, but my allergies acted up, and it's not a lie. I have heard, like I was saying before, my alarm interrupted me. I was supposed to come to the gym. I was thinking to the mall, to the gym Monday, but I didn't because my allergies. And yeah, but I came today, which is Tuesday, so we did good. We're gonna go get smoothie, and yeah, okay, I'll see you guys when I get there. Got myself a Bahama Mama smoothie. She got the same thing, and we're gonna share this chicken thigh, and I'm so hungry, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. Alright, so I am home. I've been home for a while now. I was just helping my mom take down the tree. I made my, hold on. I've made my tea. I was just letting it cool. I went to TJ Maxx and I want to show you guys what I got. So I'm gonna do that, okay? Alright, so my friend, well, she's not my friend, a blogger, or internet friends, I guess you can. Anyways, this girl, she's a blogger and a vlogger. I'll link her stuff down below. Her name is Maria, and I don't know if she will probably be watching my video, but Maria, if you're watching this, I went to TJ Maxx because you did a haul, and I was like, maybe I'll get lucky to finding some stuff, and I did. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Alright, so the first thing that I got were these Keds tennis shoes, and they were like for $12. I can't see the compare price, but yeah, these were $12. Luckily they fit because they're a size 6. I got myself these Franco Sorto slip-ons. And I'm really excited to style these. I don't usually buy these kind of shoes. I feel like they're like, I never dress like bloggers do. So I was like, maybe this is out of my comfort zone. I'm going to give it a try. They were $15, guys. And I was like, yeah, I'm going to buy it. And they fit me like perfectly. So yeah, I'm really excited. $15 and original price is compared to $48. So yeah, I can't wait to style these when it gets warmer. And because I bought these, I wanted to get like these no-show types of socks. I found a book, but this is not a reading book. It's more like a journal kind of book. It's the 52 list for happiness. It is a weekly journal, inspiration for positivity, balance, and joy. I'm tired of looking for the perfect journal. I wish I can show you guys. I'll show you guys the journal I had for last year, just so you guys. I've been trying to look like for this. So this is the kind of journal I had last year. It was so cool, and like, to be honest, I kind of want to use it in 2018 too, but I mean, it still has some pages left. I have this much left. I think I can. Pancho, what are you doing? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna continue. Well, I kind of had to yank some because I tried to like dry some roses that my boyfriend gave me, but I ended up putting the whole thing, and it kind of like, it squeezed some stuff out of it, and like it stained some of the pages, so I had to like remove the pages that were ruined because I didn't want like mold growing in my notebook. So I need to read my book. I've been doing bad at reading, oh my gosh, but I'm doing good at the same time. Here, I'll show you guys. So I've been reading the Wait and See. It's taking me a while because this is just not a book. Like, you actually have to do stuff. Like, it makes you, like, you know, bring out your Bible and stuff. So it's some deep stuff here. Like, it makes you think. So I'm gonna try to finish this week, which is, today is the 9th of January, I believe. So I want to finish this week so I can get on to the big book next week, and I think I'll be in good standings because the other two's, one of the books is kind of small, so I think I'll be good. I really want to finish all those books so I can, like, go on and read, like, Avenged, which I really want to read, but I can't because I have other books. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower, finish drinking my tea. Oh my gosh, I just counted my days wrong on my Instagram story. I put day 3 when I'm on day 2. Oops. Oh well, hopefully no one will notice. But yeah, so I'm on day 2 right now, and today is the day that I have to take my colon tea. So yeah, so far so good. Hancho, you want to come say hi to the subscribers? He's too busy living life right now. Come here. Alright, so that's it. If I have anything interesting, I'm supposed to go to the gym Thursday too, so let's see how that goes. Oh, tomorrow I have to exchange my GoPro. Here, come here. Come here. No, okay. I'll see you guys later.
Alright, let's take our shot. Alright, ready? I don't know if I can swallow all this, but I'm gonna
Here,
try.
wait. Arriba, abajo, al centro, pa dentro.
Pa dentro.
That was really good.
I'm not even done with mine.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, with the one with the cheese ham.
This is it? Okay.
You know, I'm a true salty when
Hold on, wait. Let me help you.
Enough.
Let me clean that.
Oh,
Gracias. Thank you.
She left her purse.
Oh my god, thank you.
She's been so clumsy this weekend. Es que está enamorada. So.
I was about to cry.
Got the popcorn. Someone property, 2 houses, 330. Pay up. She going broke. Salty.
I tried to film today. Clearly my makeup is like half done, but I don't like how my makeup turned out right now. I'm only halfway. I just did the eyes. I don't like how my eyeliner came out. There's so many people here and it's loud and I just can't. And I don't know what time they're leaving. Alright, so excuse how I look. Oh my god, I look really bad. Okay, there we go. I look still scary. Okay, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Let's see how tomorrow's recording is gonna turn out. I don't know when these people are leaving and they're being so loud, so we're gonna try again tomorrow. Hopefully everything works out well because I was struggling to do this eyeshadow look. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and like this video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.